Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the BLDC motor. So let us detailedly discuss the BLDC motor in upcoming slides. Okay, so before going into today's topic, let us recap the things that you have seen in the previous session. So in previous class we had detailedly discussed about the DC motor. Okay, so DC motor, how the DC motor is working, it is working principle, the components involved in that DC motor, the construction part and the working part. So this kind of things and its applications and advantages and disadvantages. So this has been discussed in the previous session. Okay, wherein DC motor we have different types of constructions. So here now in today's topic, the same we are going to see the DC motor in the terms of the BLDC, brushless DC motor, with some modification in the construction. So let us detailedly discuss in the upcoming slides. So before heading into today's topic, let us take this particular session into a DT approach. Okay, so why we need to learn this particular topic, or what is the necessary need of this particular BLDC motor. So first we will see the empathy part. So the first and foremost thing is the efficiency. So the efficiency of the DC motor, when we taken in account of EV applications, so the efficiency is less. So we need a motor which gives more efficiency than the DC motor in order to fit into the particular application. And next is the performance. So the performance of DC motor is not up to the mark. So we need more performance, producing motor and real-time monitoring. So here in a DC motor, the real-time monitoring is not possible. So we need something extra feedback system or a control system that monitors the rotation or monitors the operation of the motor regularly and gives feedback to the control system in order to alter or provide some adjustment to the system. And then the cost effectiveness. So we need to reduce the cost of the motor by optimizing the components in the motor. Yes, by considering all these things, we need a motor which gives good performance, high efficiency, reliability, and the precise control. Yes, for achieving this all parameters, all things, we can there is a motor developed, and that motor we call it as a BLDC motor, which is nothing but the brushless DC motor. Okay, so in this picture you can see the diagram of the BLDC motor. So same as in the DC motor, the components will be, the names will be same, but the construction and the other working will be different. Here there will be no carbon based expression. Instead here, what are the things that has been different when you compare to the previous thing is that the stator, the winding is present in the stator, and the magnet it is fixed to the rotor, and extra the Hall sensor has been fixed in order to regularly monitor the rotation of the rotor. So let us detailedly discuss in the upcoming slides. So in this slide we are going to discuss about the components. As I said, in stator part it is nothing but the they have many poles, and in that particular stator part the winding has been done. And in rotor, where it's a magnet part, it is a rotary part where the permanent magnet has been fixed. And Hall effect sensor has been placed in addition in order to monitor the rotation of the motor. Yes, the working has been simple. So here what they does is the current has been given to the windings in the stator, but here the difference is that it is not given at a time to all the stator poles. So it is given step by step in order to achieve the rotation of the rotor. As you can see in the diagram, it is given each pole separately so that we can attain a rotation of the so here the working is simple. Rotor consists of a magnet. Already the magnetic field is present over there. When the stator is energized with electric current, the magnetic field is produced. Due to the electromagnetic reaction, the rotor has been rotated, and this rotation has been we will continue until the power is given to the stator winding. So these are the things that we discussed for the BLDC motor key requirements, main components, characteristics, and the academic context. So we have seen in the form of a mind mapping. So before ending this video, let us summarize the things that you have seen. In this video, we had discussed about the BLDC motor, what is BLDC motor, what are the components involved in that, in construction, working. So these are the things that you have seen in this video. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.